on, let's make really delicious chicken parmesan, which is an Italian food. I'm sure you're going to love it. Stay tuned with Here is my knife.
To start, we should clean the chicken breast and remove all the fat because it can make the food smell awful and it doesn't taste good too. Now let's chop them into pieces, and after we can make them tasty. The reason we should cut the meat is so the flavors we add soaks in the entire chicken. Paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. In order for the spices to mix really well, we can add a bit of water. This is the best mixture to make fried chicken. After we're done with this process, we're going to put it in the fridge so the chicken and spices mix well together. For the delicious tomato sauce, we need onion, fresh garlic, and tomato. Now let's put them all in the mixer and add some oil so they mix and they become united. This is one of the most easiest and most simplest ways to make a yummy tomato sauce. Now, if you want to have a beautiful colored sauce, you can add tomato paste too. Now it's time for dried basil, oregano, black pepper, and salt. Mix them. And after you're done, put them in the pan, and after, put it on the stove for 30 minutes. Now let's make the crisp. Add salt and pepper to the flour so it tastes good. We need to mix 2 eggs with mustard because mustard can remove the bad smell and taste of eggs. Now, put the tasty chicken in the flour. Oh my, look at that. Then put it in the eggs. And at the end, add it to the panko powder or to the breadcrumbs. Okay, you need to press it hard so it gets shaped well. Now, put them into the frying oil and fry them for 7 minutes. Oh my, look at that! Such a beautiful color it is. It's time to spread the sauce on the oven tray and then put the chicken. And again, add some sauce on top. Fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. And it's ready to go into the oven. It takes 10 minutes for the cheese to melt, and the sauce also melts in the crummy chicken we have. Oh my god, just look at the colors! It's a miracle!
Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bon appetit!